Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Realme GT 5G comes with 6.43 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED screen. It has a full view left punch hole design. The back camera is of triple 64 plus 8 plus 2 MP with PDAF, dual LED flash, dedicated macro camera, depth sensor, ultra-wide lens etc and 4K video recording. The front camera is of 16 MP. Realme GT 5G comes with 4500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging. It has 8 or 12GB RAM, up to 2.84 GHz octa-core CPU and Adreno 660 GPU. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G, 5nm chipset. The device comes with 128 or 256GB internal storage, and no microSD slot. There is a in-display fingerprint. Among other features, there is dual SIM, face unlock, USB Type-C etc 5G supported, no display protection, unspecified, attractive design, plastic body, Super AMOLED display, 120Hz, no microSD slot, decent cameras, 65W fast charging, excellent performance with Snapdragon 888 5G, in-display fingerprint sensor, fine audio quality.